So you want to flip houses and you're probably thinking, I should enroll in real estate school and get my license. Here's why that's probably not the next best step for you. Number one, you don't even need your license to get started in real estate investing. To this day, I still don't have my real estate license. Secondly, when you enroll into real estate school, they don't even teach you the different things you need to know as a real estate investor, like how to find deals and how to analyze deals, right? Real estate school is for those of you who want to become a licensed agent to help people buy and sell homes. And quite frankly, I'm sure most real estate agents will probably tell you that what they learn in real estate school barely helps them with their daily task as a real estate agent. But I can see why you might think that enrolling in real estate school is the next logical step. If you want to be a nurse, you go to nursing school. If you want to be a doctor, you go to med school. If you want to be a lawyer, you go to law school. If helping other people buy and sell homes is not your true end goal, don't waste time getting your real estate license. If you want to flip houses, go directly to the source and learn from someone who is doing the business themselves.